Raindrops keep falling on our heads. Only this. Oh, patunay na may patak ng ulan. Yeah! Pumapatak ang ulan. Kahit konti. Yeah, you all know. You know everything, ano? You know everything. Oh! Raindrops. Rain. Ay! Sige na, Jemima. Ito lang ako at may cellphone akong hawak. Ay! Thank you! Thank you, Lord, for this rain! Oh, guys, it's raining! It's raining! It's raining in the Philippines! Naga City! Bacol area is raining! Matalas na scratch na naman ang face.
Talas na ba kasi yan?
It's raining, guys!
Pa naman.
Yeah! Saluhin mo, bibi, lahat ng ulan! Patak! Guys, it's raining here. It's raining, but it's not pouring too much. We like the rain because it's too hot for almost a month. Oh, look, it's raining. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? It's raining. Basta yung laptop, ay yung cellphone, hindi mabasa. Alam mo naman ang cellphone, nabasaan na. The cellphone got wet many times. It's broken, broken once. Nahulog sa dagat isang beses. Wow, it's raining, guys! Excuses. Na 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 na. Thank you for your bruise. It's raining. Remember like this. It's raining. It's raining. La la la. Excuse me, too. La 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 la. It's raining. Do you see that bougainvillea plant? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Happy raining, raining. Happy raining, raining. The raindrops are seen here on the street of the subdivision. We're not crazy, guys. We just like the rain. Thank you, Lord. It's raining. It's raining. Hello. Kedar Barik, Danilo Balayo. The rain is here. Rain, rain, stay here. Don't go away because we need the rain. If you look at the news here in the Philippines, the heat index is soaring high from 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Heat index, so 47 degrees Celsius. Just convert that to Fahrenheit if you're using Fahrenheit in your country. So that's really, really hot. It's really, really hot, guys. So we are thankful for the rain. Oh no, my cell phone is moving on its own because of the wet or the water on its screen. Rain, rain, don't go away. Thank you for our viewers. We're from the Philippines. We are in the Philippines right now. But our family came from the Middle East. So it's raining, it's raining, it's raining, raining, raining. We like the rain. Of course, there are times we don't like the rain if it's making too floody. But because of the weather for the past month, we badly need the rain.